castle. So, let's get started. First, we will start by drawing 2 pillars. We need some strong pillars to support our castle. We need thick castle walls to keep everyone inside safe and sound, like a big hug made of stone. Now we will draw a wall between the pillars. Then we will draw another level on the wall. After that, we will draw cone roofs on the pillars. Flags. Every castle requires a flag waving in the wind, like a superhero needs his cape. Now we will draw the entrance to the castle. To complete our castle, we will draw some windows on the walls. Bushes around the castle. Then we will draw the trees. At last, we will draw the path to castle. First, we will color the walls with yellow and gray. Yellow makes our castle beautiful, and gray makes it strong. But friends, you can color the castle as you like it. We will color the roof with red color. Coloring the roof red will make our castle visible from far. And flags orange. After roof, we will color windows blue. the grass with green color. And do you know, if we color the grass green, it will make the garden beautiful! And then we will have lots of birds in our garden! Isn't it exciting? Then we will color the path light brown. After the path, we will color the trees and bushes with different green colors. Last, we will draw some clouds. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.